with Pink and Maine. Welcome and thanks for joining me today. It's my favorite time of the month. It's the first of the month and it's time to share what's inside our April 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. We have a garden theme this month. I think you're going to love it. This is our postcard. It gives you a little peek of what's inside. And I always say use the postcard for something creative. Use it on a project. On the back, it tells you what's inside the kit. It gives you our color palette. Look at that gorgeous, rich color palette. Really pretty. And then it tells you where to join our Facebook group so that you can get inspired by others' creativity and share your own. Let's start by taking a look at our cardstock. You're going to get 2 sheets of our 110-pound ice rink white cardstock. We've got a teal with a polka dot texture. We've got this nice buttery yellow. We're giving you a full sheet of one of our glitter papers. And this is in a beautiful teal blue color. We've got what I call like school bus yellow. It's just a nice bright yellow. We have an olive green and of course this nice dark rich orange. As always, you get one of our handy 8.5 by 11 zippered mesh bags. These are perfect for storing your kit items or just about anything you'd like to keep organized. And also they're good for crafting on the go. Let's jump right into all the other items that you're going to get in this kit. We always give you a little 1-inch flare button or badge that you can collect or use on some of your projects. We have a beautiful exclusive sequin mix in this kit and the colors could not match more perfectly. I love when everything coordinates and goes together. It makes creating so much easier. We have more glitter enamel dots. You all have been loving the glitter enamel dots, so I think I'll keep them going for a little bit longer. I love them as well. I love adding them to everything. We have a 6x6 stencil and I'm going to grab a darker sheet of cardstock so that you can see the pattern. I just thought this looked like a garden trellis or a tile. Just a really pretty pattern. And all of our stencils now going forward will have the 2 holes over on the side so they fit perfectly in our brand new storage binder that we offer so you can keep all your stencils organized. You can also get inserts for those binders. And here is our exclusive 6x6 stamp set. So we have lots of cute icons for gardening. We've got roses, we have a potted plant, we have a nice little garden hat here, some rain boots and gloves. We have some cute sentiments. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. Live life in full bloom. Take time to smell the flowers. This is really cute stamp set. And we're giving you the coordinating dies. Look at that huge die set. So we've got the coordinating dies for the stamp set, but I've also thrown in this little strip here. It's going to cut a little strip that says what it said on our postcard. It says, "There is always hope." So it's going to cut that out for you as well. There's still more. You get a 6x6 embossing folder. Wow. This one is gorgeous. I can't wait to use this. Look at the roses. Won't that be pretty embossed on your cardstock? Last but certainly not least, you get a full 6x6 paper pack in our Crafty Courtyard kits. So this one is called Garden. And I'm just gonna flip through the patterns real quickly. Got that. They're double-sided sheets of printed cardstock. And you get 24 sheets and there's 24 patterns. So you get 2 of each because they're double-sided. These colors are so pretty and bold and just really nice, rich colors. I can't wait to see what you all create with this kit. Getting down to just a few sheets left. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this closer look at our April 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. Head on over to pinkandmain.com, check it out for yourself, and go ahead and subscribe while you can. Thanks again, and until next time, keep living the creative life.